We have a spring roll bowl today. Pretty much everything I put in a spring roll, but in a bowl. The only thing it's missing is some red cabbage. That would be so good in this, but I don't have any. But it's okay, it doesn't matter. I'm starving. Let's dig in. I'm convinced that vermicelli rice noodles would taste good with any kind of sauce on them. Last bite. Cheers. I can't tell if I like it better with or without rice paper. Like actually rolled or in a bowl. But honestly, you can never really go wrong with the spring roll.